Happy New Year, bonne année. My name is Jamila Rose, and I'm so glad to be here today with Life of Hope and so many of our friends and community. Today we are celebrating Haitian independence because in 1804, after a 13-year revolution, the enslaved Africans in the nation of Haiti were able to liberate themselves against their oppressors. And that is so important because it's a critical piece of Black history, and Haiti holds a critical piece because that nation, once those people were free, were able to help the enslaved Africans that were also in other parts of the Caribbean. They would, if they landed on Haiti, if they got there through boat and their masters tried to get them, they could not do that. So we are grateful to Haiti, even though I am a daughter of the United States and my family hails from Jamaica. I say thank you to all of the ancestors, the Haitian ancestors who liberated themselves and were able to create a historic piece of Black history. Today we eat freedom soup, that is soup Joumoum, and this is Ayiti, Toujou, and we are saying Happy Independence Day. We are here.